What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's TJ McKenzie with Marshall's Marine, and I am very excited about this video because coming from the homeland, Georgetown, South Carolina, that's where these bad boys are made. This is the My Tide 2025 My Tide V1602 SC. And we're gonna do a full walkthrough for you today. So stay tuned. For this? Ladies and gentlemen, I think you know where we're starting, and we are starting right here with this Yamaha VMAX SHO 94 stroke. Now, this boat is powered, or can be powered up to a 115. A 16 foot with a 115, that is crazy, but you can put up to a 115 on this thing. This is a 16 foot, 2-inch boat. This is sitting on a easy loader trailer. We have the beautiful My Tide badging on the side right here. It is just simple, it's easy. All the way up, we have our navigation lights, but all accents are black. We have the hunter / olive green color all the way across the boat, and it's just a good looking rig. So let's hop up on the inside and show you more of what this boat has to offer. All right, so as always, we're gonna start at the back of the boat and move our way forward. Let's start as far back as possible, and that is this navigation light right here. Always gotta have nav lights on the boat. We all know this, people. Moving forward, we have hydraulic steering on our Yamaha VMAX SHO. And then, I think this is pretty cool. So, we have 2 rear storage compartments on the back deck of this boat. Well, TJ, where's the bilge compartment? That's the thing. They are 2 lids, but it is 1 full compartment. So that means that the compartment goes across the whole back deck of the boat, or under the whole back deck of the boat. We have easy access to any wiring that goes on back here. We have our battery, and we have our bilge compartment. So it goes all the way through. If it is big enough to put it back here, you can put it back here. Very, very cool. Alrighty. We have our gas assist seat right here that goes all the way across with our mossy oak old school blades camo. I really like that right here. And storage under the bottom as well. Oh, look at there, we have our nav light. Perfect. All right, sitting at the cockpit, we have our steering wheel for our hydraulic steering and our Yamaha. Then we have, very limited, but it's all that you need. We have our gas gauge right here. We have our switch panel for our navigation lights, bilge, aerator, and an accessory. Then we have our Yamaha shifter and throttle right here with our key. So there is that. Easy access. We can move onto the front deck, and we have plenty of room to fish in the back as well. Right here in the center of the boat, right in front of our console, we have a aerated live well, or when it's drained and dry, another storage compartment. Now, this is kind of like a whitish tan color, but the splatter paint on the inside is the same exact color as our olive or hunter green on the outside, which is a really, really cool touch. And the compartments match the whole boat. So everything matches, all the accents are the same. Really, really cool touch. So we have our gas fill nozzle right here. Then moving forward, we have a large bow compartment that takes advantage of the whole bow as well. and then our anchor storage, which goes into the bow storage compartment. Right here, we have some straps for our anchor when we get it in here, so that way it's not moving around if we get in rough water. And then if we close this right here, we have plenty on the nose of the boat or on the bow of the boat for a trolling motor. And then we have our trolling motor plug right here, already wired up for you. So this is the My Tide V1602 SC side console. Super simple, inland fishing, rivers. If you want a smaller boat that can handle a lot more horsepower, this is the boat for you. This boat touches my heart. I have a soft place in my heart for this boat because they are made in Georgetown, where I'm from, and then Lake City is right around the corner from there. So if y'all have any questions on this boat, you can give us a call at this number right here, or you can come and check out the boat in person or on our website. I talked about this in another video, but if you go on the Marshalls Marine website, you can click on specific boats and you can walk through the boat just like we're doing right here online, sitting on your couch or at work or on your phone, wherever, as long as you're not driving. That's big to put in there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We enjoy putting these videos out for you. If there's a boat that we have not done yet and you would like to see it, please leave the comment and let us know what boats to do, and we will do them. We read all of our comments and we're very thankful for everyone leaving us a comment. So we will post more for you and we will see you soon. So
y'all ready for this?